Hello everyone, how to do back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to earn money through invitations on MeYo friends app. So here you can see this is communication app or you can make friends. So first of all you need to log in your account, then tap here me icon, then tap here the options invite friends to make money. So simply tap here, then you can get here invite person registrations. So like if the invitation people, like you can see here like how many people get money, and you can see here invite person authentications and invite person earnings. So like if you invite someone they get 12%, so it's your invitation code. So this is your invitation code. So now you can send this code to your friend. Once they registrations in this app, then you'll get some discount. So this way you can earn money.